Well, it looks like the iPhone 12 circle is complete. Apple is releasing the latest iPhone 12s, the iPhone 12 mini, and also the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And there is a tremendous size difference between these two models. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. This is a 6.1-inch screen. Let's take the Pro Max out here just to give you an idea of how much larger it is. This is a 6.7-inch screen. This is the largest that Apple has ever come out with. It's almost like an iPad mini. Let's see if I can get it to stand there. Probably won't. And I'm going to open up the iPhone, impact resistant, right? I'm going to open up the iPhone mini as well. Check that out. This is a 5.4-inch screen. So it's about the same size as an iPhone SE, but a much larger screen on here. So I'm going to peel the sticker off. See if I can turn this on as well. I'll do the same for this big guy. They're all 5G, but there is a little bit difference in the camera on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So again, let's look at the screen sizes on here. There is a lot of difference between obviously the mini and the large here again. Again, 5.4, 6.1, 6.7. As far as the cameras are concerned, the 12 mini shares the same specs as the 12 as the camera is concerned. It's got the wide, the ultra wide. With the Pro series, you get the extra telephoto lens. On the regular 12 Pro, it's a 2x optical zoom, but with the 12 Pro Max, you get a 2.5 optical zoom on that on the telephoto. What's interesting as well is because of the larger sensor on there, the 12 Pro Max gets, I think they said, an 86% better low light conditions when it's taking photos, which is pretty amazing. It is a huge difference between the 12 series and the 11 series. When I got the iPhone 11, I thought it was amazing in low light. The 12 series takes it to a whole other level. Also, with the 12 Pro Max, the image stabilization is done right on the sensor itself, not the lens. So that makes it different than all the other 12 models, including the smaller 12 Pro. And the ISO is greater on the 12 Pro Max. And again, that has a lot to do with how much light is being brought into the actual sensor. So I believe the ISO on the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming in at 7,618, and on the regular iPhone Pro, it's I think 5,808. I'll have to double check those. But again, you know, there is a difference between the two cameras. Obviously, with the larger size, the battery life is apparently longer on the 12 Pro Max as well. They all have the IP68 water resistance rating, and that essentially means you can hold it underwater to a depth of 6 meters for 30 minutes. Not that I'd want to do that with a phone that is about the same price as my mortgage payment, but you can take comfort knowing that it is protected in that regard. And again, the screens are amazing on these ones. I've been able to use the regular iPhone 12 Pro for a few weeks now, and I'm just loving it. But I got to tell you, I do like the size of the little mini. This is very nice in the hand. I miss that size. Do you remember the old iPhone 5 days? Well, that's what it kind of feels like, but so much more screen, essentially. This is the blue, just straight blue. And on the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max, it's a Pacific blue that they're essentially calling it. But, you know, overall, some great phones. I'm looking forward to trying out the Max and the Mini. The case, what you get inside the actual box is the same. There's no more charger in there, and you can see they've been able to shrink the width of the box down. And again, that's for environmental reasons. But you do get the cable that you can use to plug in and fast charge. They all come with the wireless charging as well, so they can use any of the wireless Qi chargers. They have the MagSafe built into the back, so there's going to be all sorts of new accessories that take advantage of that snap, that magnetic snap to the charger feature. I'm looking forward to the wallet snap on there. I think that's going to be pretty cool. So you've got a lot to choose from here. There's essentially 4 different models. You got the 12 mini, the 12 Pro, and the 12 Pro Max.